Hi, John from OCAM here. Today we're going to install Weathershields on a Nissan Navara NP300. First, when you get your package, take out your Weathershields and remove them from a plastic bag that they come in. What we'll do first is we'll line them up on the vehicle to see where it's going to fit. But also, please, before you install, please ensure that you've given it a real good clean. Just take all the excess dirt and grime off the door frame. So we'll take our weather shield, we'll line it up. Now on the weather shield there is a recessed area there, and on the vehicle door there is also a recessed area as well. So line the weather shield where the recess lines up with the recess on the door. And the weather shield itself will pretty much show you where it wants to sit. So once we're happy with where it's going to sit, remove the backing off the weather shield and just make sure that the area is nice and clean where you're going to stick it. So once the backing is taken off, start from here, squaring it up with the door, and just gently making sure that you get the same width gap all the way through. Stick it on nice and light, just to ensure that you're happy with where it's sitting. Once you're happy with where it's set, just apply pressure onto the taped area, just to ensure that it adheses properly. Once you've done the front, do the same process with the rear. Line it up. Just about there. Move the backing from the tape. If you do make an error, because you've just put it on very lightly, just lift it up very slowly with little pressure and it'll come off if you're not happy with where it's put to begin with. Square it up so it's in line with the front. Once again, ensuring that there's the same space all the way across, nice and light. Once we're happy with how it is, just apply some pressure on the taped area. Once you've done one side, do the exact same thing on the other side as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.